Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to show formulas in Google Sheets. This is incredibly useful when you need to review the logic behind your calculations or share the inner workings of your spreadsheet with others. Let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. You'll need to log into your account if you haven't already. Enter your credentials and sign in. This will bring you to your Google Workspace dashboard where all your files and documents are stored. Once you're on the Workspace dashboard, take a moment to locate the spreadsheet where you want to show formulas. Simply click on it to open. This could be any spreadsheet containing calculations, whether it's a budget tracker, project timeline, or data analysis sheet. Opening the file is essential as it gives you access to all the viewing and editing options you'll need for this task. Now that your spreadsheet is open, direct your attention to the top menu bar. Here you'll find various options for customizing how you view and interact with your data. Click on View. This will reveal a drop-down menu with several display options designed to help you see your spreadsheet in different ways. From the View menu, locate and click on Show. This will expand into another set of options that control what elements are visible in your spreadsheet. These settings are particularly helpful when you want to reveal hidden components or switch between different display modes. Finally, from the Show submenu, click on Formulas. This is the key step that toggles the display mode. Instead of seeing the calculated values in your cells, you'll now see the actual formulas behind those calculations. This makes it easy to audit your work, troubleshoot errors, or understand how complex calculations are structured, and there you have it. Your Google Sheets spreadsheet now displays all the formulas instead of their resulting values, giving you complete transparency into how your data is being processed. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.